Drug addicts are ugly, a strong remark from Vice President Sara Duterte as she declared that she and the entire office of the Vice President are ready to undergo a drug test anytime. Jason Rubrico has more on this.
Vice President Sara Duterte is again pushing for a drug test in government. This comes after Senator Mig Zubiri called for mandatory random testing in the Senate, Congress, and other agencies. She says she's ready but will wait for a direct order from President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Matagal na ako nagsasabi, sir. Matagal na ako nagsasabi na magpa-drug test na kami lahat. Inaantay ko lang talaga si BBM at yung Office of the President na magsabi na magpa-drug test na. Kahit ngayon pa, magsabi sila na magpa-drug test tayo, magpa-drug test, walang problema sa akin yun. In fact, kami din sa Office of the Vice President, handa kami na magpa-drug test lahat.
Duterte adds drug testing is crucial to make sure public officials have the sound judgment needed to lead and make decisions.
Unang-una, napakahalaga kasi ng drug test kasi tinatanong natin yung kapasidad ng ating mga leaders na mag-isip at magdesisyon. Kapag nagdodroga ka, altered yung state of mind mo eh. So paano natin napapanigurado na sakto yung mga desisyon or ikaw pa ba yung gumagawa ng mga desisyon? So napakahalaga talaga ng drug test kasi it goes into the competency of the person in office.
The Vice President also backed PNP Chief General Nicolas Torres' remarks that drug use not only harms the body and mind but also shows in one's physical appearance.
Malamang papangit ka talaga pag adik ka kasi, di ba ano yon, hindi ka kumakain ng maayos, hindi ka natutulog ng maayos, at wala nang laman yung utak at tiyan mo niyan eh. Kasi di ba ano na lang yan, para kang zombie, para kang tulala lagi pag nagdodroga ka. So, oo, kasi nangingiwi ka na kasi nga wala nang vitamins and nutrients yung katawan mo. Kaya totoo yan talaga. Papangit talaga yung mga adik, pangit talaga sila.
For God and my beloved Philippines, I am Jason Rubrico, SM9 News.